But the first thing that we have to do, you take the box that's behind you. Yeah, very good. How's it going over there, Julian? So where are we going to put it? Should we put it there?
This is the starting part.
Lift both sides, then turn 90 degrees. Okay.
Where's... Yes. I did it.
Very cool.
Yeah. Come racing person. Just my person. Full function. Forward, turn left, backward, turn right. Remote control, RC. Channel 4. Strong performance. Means 2WD. Stands for two-wheel drive. 1 to 28 scale. 27 meters and 40 meters. Technology. This guy's...
So we have it looks like a Mini Cooper. And then this looks similar to this. Right?
You started with one of my... Yeah, you almost there. Go. Yay!
Straight to the playground.
After I said yay, he crashed it.
Straight to the playground, knocking everyone down.
No. Go. Okay.
I'm almost getting to Julian.
Okay, come.
Julian, wait for me at the start. We start one lap.
When you get crashed, I will try to go.
I wait for you. Go.
Go. What's mine? What the?
So then you have to start from there.
Go, Danny. Go, Danny.
Then he has to move back.
Oh. No, one step back. Danny, go.
You're disqualified.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. There's no. You just drove into the swimming pool where people were swimming.
Because you always push me back.
No, you're disqualified. Okay, one more time.
I think Julian is too good. You're ready.
Is she born ready? Are you born ready?
1,
I'm ready.
2, 3, go!
Oh, we have them coming.
Hey.
Beep beep. Traffic.
No, look at it.
It's chaos.
Not here.
I wanted to win you.
Hey, pushing me.
Oh.
Come on, guys.
Oh my God, this is massive.
I'm champion with my crush.
No, you mean I was so good at the beginning.
Go.
Go, Mom. You can do
Oh
it.
man, this is a brain for me. I can't do it on the other side.
Yeah! That's exactly what happened to me.
Wait, I think I can walk with the car, right?
Yeah.
Because when it's over there
Yeah.
and I have to go this side, it messes with my brain for the sides.
I know it. Do practice.
Yeah, but you because your tongue goes with it.
So you have to have something where like you get like a okay.
Mommy,
Cool.
this time you will practice right. I can show you how your time goes.
Can you drive 2 cars with the same remote?
Maybe.
Let's see. 2 cars, 1 remote.
Yeah, he can. What's your... He's turning.
So no one else is driving it. We're using just 1 remote.
Mommy, Jones tongue.
What?
Mommy, Jones tongue is like this.
Yeah.
I have to do one more thing. One more thing on my mission. Wait. That's what you get from being unfair. There's no way you're winning this one. Even if
Hey,
there's no way you're winning this one. Oh.
Dylan is going and Coco's gonna win.
No.
Oh, the cars.
Now we have spoiled the whole track.
You spoiled the whole track. Now the parking for the tiny cars is messed up.
Finish. Cool. That was fun.
Unfair, I'm playing.
Now it's a photo. Look, it's Julian. It's a photo.
Don't do that.
No, it's a video. Okay, photo.